In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a purchase order in X-Pro. Click on the Create button to start creating a purchase order. Select the group. Provide the name for the purchase order. Write the purchase order number. Click on the Create button. Once you've created your purchase order, the page will open like this. Add a new vendor or choose an existing one. Select the due date. Click here to add products. Choose the items you want to add from the list provided. Once you've chosen the products, click the Add Products button. You can modify the tax percentage from here. Please specify the discount you would like to apply. Please write the costs associated with shipping. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click the Send Purchase Order button. Enter your email ID to get the purchase order. Click the Send button to receive the purchase order in your email inbox.